was foremost all of you, friends, brothers and sisters, everyone, parents, everyone who joined for this honorable party today. I would have liked to greet you with the best greeting of Islam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. After greeting, this afternoon gives me great pleasure to be one of attacker of this auspicious party, and also I'm joyful to appear a lot of people with different faces on the screen, different area. I don't like a lot of words, but also I want to conclude the speech. Even like to say some words about our school, Hilton. The school was set up 8 October 2016. Also, everybody aware of. There's a lot of candidates, those graduated from this school. Even we are one of. There's a candidates. Even maybe today is good for me. Took a long time that I can speak, even as I need us. But time will visit me the talking for the Lord in my mind. But also will get a nice time. Even maybe I know I can't tell Lord of speaking for this golf. Something very bullshit for me, but inshallah I'll try to get a next time after this party. Thank you, all of you, and I wish you that this will be a challenge for you learning, inshallah. Thank you so much. How you make it welcome as a God. Welcome with the hands. We talking. Bye bye.